Hello friends, in this video we will solve one tricky Java interview question using Stream API. So now I want to generate a random password by combination of uppercase letters and lowercase letters, digits and some special characters. Now I took one string variable char set and I have a string with all uppercase, lowercase letters, digits and some special characters. Now I want to take one variable length and I would like to say length is equal to 12. Means I want to generate a random password of 12 characters. And now we need to use a class called secureRandom, and that class has a ints method, so that can generate some integer indices, and we should collect the characters from that particular indexes of the string, and then we need to join them together into a string. So then we are going to get a random password. So how it can be done? See, string random password equal to. Now first, before this, I am going to create secureRandom class object. Now consider the object name is random. So random dot ints method is there, and I am passing length, comma 0, comma char set dot length. So this basically generate random integers of the given length, including 0, excluding length of this string. So between 0 to length minus 1, it will generate random integers for the given length, means 12 random integers get generated. And now we are going to call dot map to object. Now each index we want to map it to a character in the char set. So char set dot index of the character. So now we are going to get a character at the given index, caret of index. So next what we need to do is we need to convert each character to a string, and for that we are going to use map method, and map method has object : to string. Now what this map to obj will do, it is going to map the index to a character in the given char set. So that character we are going to convert into a string by calling the map method, and all these string characters are joining together and we are going to get a random password, and we need to collect them into a single string. So for that we are calling collect method, which is terminal operation, collectors.joining. And now let's display this random password and check the output. Now you can see a random password is generated with a combination of digits, uppercase letters, lowercase letters and some special characters. So let's run this code for one more time and check the result again. And now you can see this time we got another random password. Let's check for one more time and check the output. Now this time we are getting some other random password of 12 characters. So this is how we can generate a random password by using Stream API. Comment as Java to get more Java interview questions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.